with me. I feel right when you're around. Yeah. And when we're together, I hear music. You got me singing, sing it out. Yeah. And it goes like, ooh la la. I like the way you move. I like the things you do. I like it when I'm with you. Yeah. Ooh la la. You got me feeling right. I'm in a better light. I like it when I'm with you. Sing it. Ooh la la. Ooh la la, yeah. 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 I like it when I'm with you. But there are times when I feel trouble, when life rains on my parade. You come running on double. You chase all those clouds away. And it goes like, ooh la la. I like the way you move. I like the things you do. I like it when I'm with you, yeah. Ooh la la. You got me feeling right. I'm in the
Good morning, guys, and welcome back to This Way.
I just wanted to jump on here and show you my coffee because it's a little bit cute. A bit of tiny. We love that. Look how cute it is it not? The oats hit different today as well. Honestly, when you cook it in a pot, usually I'm a lazy gal and I put it in the microwave. Heat it up, you know, add some milk, sugar, all that kind of jazz. But today I just wanted to try a new recipe. I also thought I'd try the Tammy, the food plan, loosely, not rigidly, but for just some new like food ideas and whatnot. So yeah, I'm doing an app. I'm using her app anyway, so I was like, oh, I might as well make the most of this food situation. But the oats were just, I don't know, what do you guys like? I love a bit of dinner because it's like a meal, but this breakfast was like a dessert. And I know why everyone raves about oats. Okay, so you put your oats in the pot and then with water, I just kind of eyed it out. It was like 1/3 of a cup of oats and then I filled it with hot water and then also some oat milk and then 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla essence. I think that was the game changer in there. Then 1/2 sliced banana, put some LSA, so linseed, sunflower and almond meal, and then also a bit of hemp seed because my skin's like a bit dry. Anyway, yes, put some hemp seed in there. Once it's ready, after about maybe 2 to 3 minutes, it's nice and creamy. Put it into my bowl, season it with peanut butter and then a bit of sugar. I found some strawberries in season, sliced a strawberry or 2, actually 3, no, yeah, 3 strawberries. Add a dash more milk and oh my word, I'm gonna be having my oats like that every day now. I've been re-inspired to have breakfast. I might enjoy this cup of coffee. I will see you in the next meal for lunch. Bye. You are actually the cutest thing I have ever seen. Hello. got the lentil soup with some homemade aioli, lemon, paprika, basil, and a little zhuzh of olive oil. Some toast, homemade hummus there. Hello, it is 6 o'clock and I am starving, so we are gonna make a stir fry. Oh my god, what is going on with my hair? Let's just let it all out. Let's get on to the stir fry. Stir fry is served. Ooh. Yeah, third. We need a bit more than a quarter, really, if we're being honest right now. And there, anything 50% and over Whitakers is vegan. And my heart's like, ooh, how'd you like to spin around with me? 'Cause I've got peanut butter with sweet and salty pretzels, swirl and fudge brownies. Holy.
Good enough.
Oh yeah, load her up for me, please. I'll have a bit more on mine.
Which is yours?
Maybe this one.
That much?
Yeah. We don't want it to go to waste.
But save time, more success.
Does it save time though? Because we've been here.
I took a trip to the grocery store. In the cart we had a BTR. The words fell out of my mouth.